Yo, what's going on everybody? So for this video guys, we're gonna be creating a guessing game with Kotlin Programming. The program generates a random number and the user will have to keep guessing until he guesses for that number. To add some challenge, let's have 4 difficulties to determine the range of the random number cause let's be real, it's almost impossible to guess from infinite number. Then let's add a limit to the number of attempts that the user can guess. Say 1 for easy mode, the random number is within 1 to 10 with 3 attempts. 2 for medium mode within 1 to 50 with 6 attempts. 3 for hard mode within 1 to 100 with 15 attempts. Number 4 for extreme mode within 1 to 500 with 30 attempts. Now, the player wins if he guesses the right number but loses if he runs out of attempts. For the sample run, we have the game title and the 4 difficulties for the main menu. The user chooses from the difficulties. Let's try 1 for the easy mode. The difficulty, random number range, and number of attempts are displayed. For our guess, let's try 5. If wrong, the remaining attempts is displayed and a hint whether our guess is higher or lower than the random number. Let's try 3, then 2. There you go, we win. Let's play again. 2 for medium mode. Let's purposely lose. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. We run out of attempts, so we lose and the right answer is displayed. To terminate, let's enter any key to exit the game. And that's the sample run. Alright, so now let's code. Import a scanner first and declare a scanner because we're gonna be working with integer user inputs. Our program will only end if the user chooses to exit, so let's initiate a string variable key, then a do while loop with a condition that the key is equals upper or lowercase p. For the update, print enter an option, then let a Bea! Sorry. Then let the user input a value for our variable key. Let's try to run. Small p, then capital P, then any key to exit. Next is the game title and the main menu. 1 for easy, 2 for medium, 3 for hard, 4 for extreme. Then initiate an integer variable menu answer. Then another do while to make sure that the user chooses only from 1 to 4. Within this loop, print enter an option, then let the user input a value for the variable menu answer. Let's try to run. Let me try 5, 0, 1. P to continue, 2, P to continue, 3, P to continue, 4, P to continue. Now, any key to exit. Next, let's declare 3 variables depending on the chosen difficulty. These are the title, maximum random number, and number of attempts per difficulty. Basically, if the user chooses one from the menu, title is easy mode, maximum random number is 10, attempts would be 3, and so on. Yeah. Let's just copy paste the declaration because next is the start of the game. This is it. Let's print first the title, random number range, and the number of attempts. Then declare the random number. Var random num equals 1 up to our variable max random num dot random open and close parentheses. Basically, this will generate a random number. Let's say for easy mode, the random number is within 1 to 10. Now for the last part is the logic for winning and losing the game. The way we're going to ask the user for his guess is through another loop. But this time, the condition is actually useless because we're going to use break to end this loop. Within this loop, let's print your guess. Then let's declare an integer variable for the user's guess. That's one attempt, so decrement the variable attempts per mode. Then validate if the guess is correct. If the guess is higher than the right answer, or if the guess is lower than the random number. If correct, let's print the remaining attempts. Then yo, you win, exclamation point. Then let's break the loop. If wrong, let's have a nested if to check if the number of attempts is not equal to 0 or already equal to 0. If not equal 0, print the remaining attempts. Then a hint that the random number is higher than the user's guess. But if the number of attempts is already equal to 0, print the remaining attempts. The right answer. Then, yo loser. Then, let's break the loop. For the final condition where the random number is lower than the user's guess, let's just copy the nested if and change the hint from higher to lower. Then let's try to run. Alright, error. Line 57. There's an extra $sign. So now we're all good. Run the game. Let's go for easy. 5, so lower than that. 3, still lower. 2, right answer is 1. Let's play again and go for extreme mode. 250 higher. 375 higher. 450 still higher. 475 still higher. 490 lower. 480 lower. 476. 77. 78. 79. 20 remaining attempts. Yo, you win. So that's our guessing game with Kotlin Programming. And that's gonna do it for me, guys. Adrian is my name. Legally blind. Third year computer science student. And until next time, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye!